Hello everyone, I am Aniketa Tadre Tagle. Today I am talking about DNA and RNA and their types. So let's start. DNA is nothing but the group of molecules that is responsible for carrying and transmitting the hereditary materials or the genetic instructions from parents to offsprings. Next point is DNA types. There are three types of DNA, which includes aDNA, bDNA, and zDNA. The first type is aDNA. In that aDNA, it is a right-handed double helix similar to the bDNA form. Dehydrated DNA takes an A form that protects the DNA during extreme conditions such as desiccation. Protein binding also removes the solvent from DNA and the DNA takes on A form. Second type is bDNA. In that bDNA, this is the most common DNA conformation and is a right-handed helix. The majority of DNA has a B-type conformation under normal physiological conditions. So third type is zDNA. In that zDNA is a left-handed DNA where the double helix winds to the left in a zigzag pattern. It was discovered by Anders Wang and Alexander Rich. It is found ahead of the start site of a gene and hence is believed to play some role in gene regulation. Next part is RNA. RNA is also called as ribonucleic acid, which helps in the synthesis of proteins in our body. In that, this nucleic acid is responsible for the production of new cells in the human body. It is usually obtained from the DNA molecule. RNA resembles the same as that of DNA. The only difference being that it has a single strand unlike the DNA, which has two strands, and it consists of an only single ribose sugar molecule in it. Hence is the name ribonucleic acid. RNA is also referred to as an enzyme as it helps in the process of chemical reactions in the body. Next point is RNA types. There are various types of RNA, out of which most well known and most commonly studied in the human body are first one is tRNA, that means transfer RNA. Second one is rRNA, that means ribosomal RNA, and third one is mRNA, that means messenger RNA. So first type is tRNA, that means transfer RNA. In that, transfer RNA is held responsible for choosing the correct protein or the amino acids required by the body, in turn helping the ribosomes. It is located at the end points of each amino acid. That means this is also called as soluble RNA, and it forms a link between the messenger RNA and the amino acid. Second type is rRNA, that means ribosomal RNA. In that rRNA, the rRNA is the component of the ribosome and are located within the cytoplasm of cell, where ribosomes are found in all living cells. The ribosomal RNA plays a fundamental role in the synthesis and translation of mRNA into proteins. That means the rRNA is mainly composed of cellular RNA and are the most predominant RNA within the cells of all living beings. Third type is mRNA, that means messenger RNA. This type of RNA functions by transferring the genetic material into the ribosomes and pass the instructions about the type of proteins required by the body cells based on the functions. This type of RNA is called the messenger RNA. Therefore, the mRNA plays a vital role in the process of transcription or during the protein synthesis process. These are all about DNA and RNA and their types. Thank you.